Hi, my name is Valdir Rocha. I'm the Gala member from Brazil, and I'm going to present you the hot topics in Brazilian advertising law during 2017. The first case that I brought was on fake news, an advertising campaign done by the federal government. They spent over 100 million reais, that's more than $30 million, explaining the Social Security reform that the government sent to Congress. It will affect all citizens and especially the public servants because they have the highest pensions in the country, about 6 times more than the highest pension of the private sector. So since it affects the public officials and judges, an association of public officials filed a lawsuit with the federal court against the federal government, and the federal judge granted an injunction saying that the advertising campaign showed only the government's position and didn't show the opinion of the entities that are opposed to it. Another hot issue in Brazil, as always, has been sexism in advertising. The beer companies have a long history of using nudity in advertising, but now in the state of Rio de Janeiro, we have a new law that will ban ads that have sexism and expose especially the women body and that have a misogynistic connotation. That's an example of one beer ad. And the next slide will show a real ad, a new ad of a furniture company that sells stainless steel tables. And the ad is in Portuguese, but it has a play with words saying that the product is stainlessly beautiful and semi-naked, and showing the half of a body of a semi-naked woman. Consumers filed complaints with CONAR, and CONAR banned that ad. Native advertising. In 2016, we had one leading case. And last year, CONAR published its bulletin with 12 decisions. So that's one of them. Most of the decisions were in the sense that the commercials should be banned. The bloggers and YouTubers should stop using their media to advertise products without clear identification. But that's a different case, a unique case, in which a little girl, a minor, is a YouTuber, and she's probably helped by adults, by her family, to shoot videos directed to children. And in that one, she mixes 3 types of candies in the mixer with water and Coca-Cola, and she shows the packages and the brand, and then drinks that. So there were the CONAR itself, ex officio, started a procedure and summoned Fini, the manufacturer of the candies, to explain that. So, but Fini didn't have anything to do with that. It was the girl's decision, initiative to do that. But the manufacturer was warned by CONAR to monitor the use of its brand on YouTube to avoid something like that. We do have a new regulation by ANSINI, the Audiovisual Regulatory Agency. In 2011, they decided that they would register each audiovisual commercial and would charge an annual fee. But that has not been enacted yet. In 2017, they issued normative instruction number 134, defining both the fee and the types of audiovisual ads that would be registrable, but they were not technically prepared to do so, so they postponed and issued a new instruction 136, now with a new effective date of July 1st, 2018, and with the exception of audiovisual ads with over 24 frames per second. And they decided that the fee was going to be $150 per year. Thank you.